And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 319. Let me show you the pattern stamp tool right here. As the short key, then right click on this toolbox and you can select it. It's once again a brush. Let me create an empty layer for it. We have the brush settings right here. Most important is to choose a pattern. And let us go with the defaults, and you can see it's the size of the brush and the hardness 0, therefore it feathers out and it gives us this pattern. Let us switch to a different one, maybe under trees. Functionality is the same as with brushes, so I'm not going to go over these details. Just check out my playlist where I've explained that in detail. But one function is different, which is Impressionist. Let me use that for this pattern. And now I go to my brush settings and increase the spacing and hardness. And now you can see what this does. It actually samples the colors from the pattern and then basically randomizes it when you use it as a brush. It can be interesting, especially as the name suggests, for impressionist effects. Once more, the other options are same flow, opacity, as I've said, brush settings. So there's not much new with this tool except for the impressionist effect. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.